Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll learn how to add quiz to already uploaded videos or to an existing video, in other words. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Right? So the new feature from YouTube wherein you can add quiz to grow engagement on your video is trending, and many people are adding quizzes to your videos. So you can see in this video I had added quizzes, right? So you can take this quiz, people can interact with your content while they are watching the video, right? So if you want to add the quiz to an existing video, I will showcase in today's video, right? For that, go to your channel and just go to the video. So I will just go to the very first video of my channel, wherein I haven't added any quiz. And in your YouTube studio, you can see over here quizzes, right? So you just have to click on this edit button and you can add quiz for this video. Now there are two ways which I suggest. One is the questions which you want to incorporate in this, or the other ways you can take Chat GPT's help and get the inputs for what quizzes you can add. So I will just ask Chat GPT share quiz questions to add to YouTube video which pertains to creating logo for YouTube channel tutorial using tools like Canva, right? So I asked ChatGPT to share me the quiz questions and I will directly use them to add quiz. So, right, so it has which tool, okay. So these are the questions they are sharing, right? And to be on the safe side, you can ask ChatGPT, right? So that it's safe, right? So we'll start adding some questions which we think will add to the knowledge of user. So I'm adding one over here, and you can directly copy paste. Click on the correct answer so that users are aware, the viewers are aware if they have answered it correctly or not, right? So I will place it somewhere over here, right? Now I will maybe add which format is best to download logo for high quality, right? Want to add basic questions which are relevant and people might be not aware for someone who is starting a YouTube channel, right? So we'll just go and check again the answer to be double PNG. So for demo purpose, I will just add these two questions and I will place this somewhere over here. You can check the time and adjust it as per your requirement, and I have shared. Now basically I have added the quiz to an existing video after upload, and now if I go and check on this video, the quiz should appear. So you can see the quiz has appeared in our video. This is the way you can add quiz to an existing video of your channel. Hope it helps. If you have any queries, please drop in the comment section and we'll get back to you with the solution or answer on how you can go with it. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave if you haven't.